La Traviata is the love story of Violetta and Alfredo. Hi, I'm Violetta. I'm a courtesan who has returned from Paris after a short respite in the country from my illness. I'm throwing a lavish party, and in walks Alfredo.
Hi, I'm Alfredo. I really like Violetta.
I think he loves me, to be honest.
I admitted my love, but the baron overheard and led her away.
The baron is asked to toast, but he refuses. Things get awkward, and everyone looks to Alfredo.
All eyes are on me, so I start singing a drinking song.
Alfredo is really different. I kept thinking, is he the one? I don't know. I kind of want to be a free woman.
Fast forward 3 months later,
We're living together!
everything's perfect.
But then, one day when Alfredo was out of town, his father Giorgio tells me I need to leave because my status as a courtesan is going to ruin his family's reputation.
A note. That's all she left me.
I'm back in Paris and I'm going to a friend's party with the baron. When we walk in, I see Alfredo gambling.
I annoy the baron. I shout that Violetta is going home with me.
The baron stormed over to the table and challenged Alfredo to a game.
I win. Big.
We have a huge fight, and he demands that I admit to loving the baron. I'm so angry that I do.
I denounce her and throw my winnings at her feet.
I'm shocked, hurt, and humiliated by his actions.
Some time has passed.
I'm alone, and to top it all off, I'm dying of tuberculosis.
My father comes clean about what really happened and why Violetta left me. I race to Paris to beg Violetta for her forgiveness.
But it's too late.
She's sick, but we start singing.
By the end of the song, I feel revived and well again.
However, after a few moments of happiness and hope, she dies in my arms.